Welcome to the future of smart living. Effortless, intelligent, and completely in your control. Meet the Lookin' Remote 2, your all-in-one Wi-Fi smart remote that brings your entire home under one roof. Yours. With Lookin' Remote 2, you can control your air conditioner, TV, fan, and more, all from your phone. No more hunting for multiple remotes. And the best part? It works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say it, and it's done. What if your smoke alarm could do more than just beep? Meet the One Link Smart Smoke Alarm, your home's first line of defense. Not just any alarm. This smart device sends notifications straight to your phone if smoke or carbon monoxide is detected. That means even if you're away, you'll be the first to know. And with voice alerts, it tells you exactly where the danger is. Imagine controlling your entire home with just a tap or a voice command. Meet Bond, your ultimate smart home solution. Bond connects your non-smart devices like fans, blinds, and AC units and makes them smarter. Just set it up. And now, you can control them from your phone or with voice commands. No need for complicated setups or new appliances. Bond works with your existing devices, making them part of your smart home ecosystem. Control your space your way. From adjusting the temperature to setting the perfect mood, Bond makes it happen. Want to capture every moment from every angle? Meet the 360-fly HD video camera, your ticket to immersive video like never before. With its 360-degree lens, this camera captures everything around you in stunning HD. No more worrying about missing the perfect shot. Whether you're hiking, biking, or even skydiving, every twist, turn, and leap is recorded in crystal clear detail. With built-in Wi-Fi and easy sharing, you can relive your adventures and share them instantly with friends and family. Meet WatchAir, the smart antenna that streams live TV without cables or subscription fees. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and boom, you're watching free local channels in full HD. Live sports, news, and your favorite local shows. Anytime, anywhere, even on your phone. Record, pause, and watch. On the go. No set-top box. No hidden fees. Ditch the cable. Go smart. Go WatchAir. Worried about what's happening at home while you're away? Meet the YI Dome camera, your 360-degree smart security solution. With motion tracking, night vision, and two-way audio, it sees, hears, and talks back. Control everything from your phone. Pan, tilt, zoom, even talk to your pets. Crystal clear vision, day or night. It never sleeps, so you can. Stay connected. Stay protected. With YI Dome camera. Still doing everything manually at home? Time to smarten up. Introducing Fibaro Z-Wave, the brain behind your smart home. Control lights, temperature, blinds, even security, automatically or with your voice. Use the app to create scenes like movie night or good morning. Total control in one tap. And yeah, it can literally save your home with water and motion sensors. Your home, your rules, automated. Fibaro Z-Wave.
Whose turn is it this time? I'll go and I won't cry. Just wait till the next time.